Assalamu alaikum and good evening to our distinguished speakers, respected guests and audience. Dr. Farzana Mehdi is the Director Academics and Professor of Biochemistry at ERA's Lucknow Medical College and Hospital. She holds the position of Academic Dean at American University of Barbados. She was instrumental in establishing the world-renowned medical facility in Lucknow as ERA Medical College. This institution just not introduces capable doctors in society, but also inculcates strong characters filled with rational values and a wish to contribute maximum to the society. Dr. Mehdi's continuous hard work, sincerity, and aim to bring world-class medical facility and education to Lucknow is exemplary and worth appreciating. Awadhnama takes utmost pleasure in recognizing her effort in medicine and conferred upon Begum Hazrat Mahal Award. Thank you.